Unit 17 introduces you to the HERE, Higher Education Access Route, and DARE, Disability Access Route to Education schemes. These are crucial routes designed to help eligible students access higher education. The key competencies. This unit is about equity and access, fostering and cultivating well-being by highlighting available supports, managing learning and self by understanding and accessing these schemes, and thinking and solving problems by navigating complex application criteria and required documentation. Why teach it? This unit is about ensuring equity and access to higher education for students from disadvantaged backgrounds or with disabilities. It's vital for guiding them through the complex application criteria and showing them the significant supports available, helping to cultivate their well-being and future success. We'll start with a presentation and discussion on HERE and DARE, including videos on how to apply and how to use tools like Pobal Maps to check for disadvantaged areas. An interactive activity will have you list application steps and discuss key deadlines, such as the February 1st CAO deadline and the March 1st HERE/DARE indication deadline, with supporting documents due by March 15th. We'll emphasise that you can apply to both DARE and HERE, and that eligible applicants are prioritised by colleges. Guest speakers who have successfully navigated these routes can offer invaluable insights. Why pay attention? It's essential to pay attention because these schemes can provide reduced points places and vital supports for higher education. Understanding the eligibility criteria and the application process ensures that eligible students do not miss out on these life-changing opportunities. This unit makes higher education more attainable for you.